You have to let your body also flow. The real bachata is this. You don't need anything else. YouTube, aquí estamos en la clasecita of 2024. Be ready. If you already dance bachata, then you're gonna love this. This is something to mix it up with when you're dancing, but I don't like to do only footwork, guys. It's a very a big misconception to think that Dominican or bachata, you dance only with your feet. Yeah, you don't only do just steps. You have to let your body also flow. Hey, aquí es que está la bachata. The real bachata is this. You don't need anything else. The more you do, it's just accessories to make your bachata even great or for you more fun. Okay, so let's get into that fun move. Yeah, so if we're dancing it, you can do the basic step. You're dancing 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7 con sabor, con 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and the tap. So after the tap with 8, I'm going to step over on 1, and my whole energy, my whole weight is going to shift to that side, and my right foot is going to switch over to the back. One is this, that's 2. So 1 and 2 I have now. So my 3, I'm going to cross over again to my right side with my heel. That's 3. 4 is my toe. And on 5, I'm going to just drop it and give it some more body movement from the real bachata movement. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more time from this side. So I step over, I tap, and I go 1, over, heel, and toe, and I use the body, 5, 6, 7, and tap. And then I continue with the basic step. Yeah, so if I have my basic step here, this is the 1, 5, 6, 7, here we go for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y toma que dame que eso fue. Vamos a hacerlo con música, mi gente. We count down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Señores, hagan algo, se está muriendo un hombre, llamen a alguien que sepa curar el dolor, que da el desengaño.